in New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. One hand in the air for the big city. Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In New York.
New York!
Tama lang, kasi kung hindi kayo mahip. Mataas na. Kailangan tubig. Something game! For me!
Wow, it's amazing Sunday. Where does it come from?
Hong Kong ba?
As in?
Opo.
Gosh.
Ano siya na shows pala?
They did it in Hong Kong.
Kwai Chang, Hong
So
Kong.
order some fried rice
Kwai
with
Chang,
that.
Hong Kong. Tita! Ano daw sabi niya? Mag-order ng rice daw. Mag-order ng fried rice. Oh my God! When did I order this? Mag-ano ka ng cutter?
Wait, tanong mo kung baka sa'yo talaga yan, Charis?
Na, magod pangalan. Oh, dili na ako mapakita dari kay na address. Oh, Charis Ronquillo.
Sorry, but there's no Charis Ronquillo in this house.
No way. That's me, mate.
Ay!
JC. Unya na, JC, nag-unboxing ba ko?
Hi!
That was unexpected. Shut up. Jugaes ka good. Oh my God! It's really the...
The box. You can't take the box. You take the box.
Danike!
You have to take the box.
You think so?
Opo.
It looks
Because
fake.
you put in the box where it'll float in the river, then you won't damage your shoes.
It gets wet.
Huh?
Lahi-lagi yung box, te.
Gani.
Dito ko di-open sa kabila.
Namoy. Excited kayo.
Wait, saan nakabutang, te? Your... by...
Nike by you.
Ay, oo! Kasi ano, personalized. Nike by you.
Oh my God.
You don't need an update.
Ano, what's your show?
Ginagilig ko!
Better than a boyfriend.
Better than a boyfriend. Very true. Ah, dali.
Oh my God!
So nice! Ate, mo, ito pa siya.
Oh my God!
Thank you.
I'm so happy!
Nice chicha.
It's really so.
That wasn't like that same girl who had the black one. This is much better.
You think?
Opo.
Yeah, I think so too.
Uy, cha! It's not a thing. It's stitches. It's embroidery.
Yeah.
Properly
It's,
done.
yeah, properly done. It won't, unsa na, dili siya
No,
ma-erase. It won't
Yeah.
fade. It won't fade.
Oh my God. Nobody else in the Philippines got charot. No, but I mean the name. You'll know it's my shoes because it's got my name on it.
That's it.
Oh my God, I'm so happy!
Ay, maganda kay birthday din ako.
Happy birthday!
Well done. Good choice.
Oh, 감사합니다.
It's done and it's sewn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sewn.
Oh my God. So it's actually the Nike Air Force 107. Cool kayong box. It's cool because it's like a drawer.
Yeah. I think
Ta-da!
I think you
Ta-da!
should take the box.
There's a lot of shoes to take home.
Hindi, suotin mo ito eh. This is, kani mo na pinakamakapal. Hoy, pamatay. She's turning red, oh. Mahubog na pud ka.
Over. I'm so freaking
Maybe she can
happy.
wear it to snow.
Oh, get wet.
Even this one, di ba?
Yeah, let's customize.
Kasi pareho siya ng color. Ah, they just stick it ate.
Ayoy. Oh, you're fussy with your bag. I'm fussy with my shoes.
That's right.
AF1. This year, I have a lot of things.
This
You
year,
achieved.
this year your quota with your
You
shoes.
achieved a lot of things.
Nice!
Look!
Sukatin mo na.
Look!
Sukatin
Look!
mo. Ay, hala. Maganda ka.
Tapos $5 lagot ang difference dyan.
150 ang normal.
So, 155 to.
Oo.
Sukatin mo na. Go. Binyagan ko yan.
Ayaw, sa... Parang ayaw ko ganyan suotin.
She doesn't want to wear it. Gaga.
Hello? Hello? Happy, happy, happy.
Nasira na siya.
Pablo ba? Okay.
Ano na?
Tito! She lights her own birthday candle tuloy.
You're drunk, Manoy.
Very drunk.
Where you going, love?
Wala na.
Come here.
Happy birthday.
Smile first here.
Wait lang, me first. 24.
Ay,
Tito, go away.
24.
No.
Only her.
No,
because-
together.
Fine. 1, 2, 3.
Me lang first ba? Me lang.
No.
Just her only. Because it's her birthday anyway.
So.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Kana pang Insta stories. Yan.
Sa popod.
Pang Insta
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Yay! Wish! Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you guys for being here.
Born so beautiful. Born.
Tita! Tito,
Opo.
what's your wish for Tita?
A healthy life.
Aww.
Healthy life. Importante talaga yan. Correct. Importante, Jude.
How big you want, darling?
Me, my wish for Tita is that she will have children na.
Opo.
You will have children na.
Twins.
You want to have a healthy life. Not healthy life, you can't have children.
May point siya.
No, since you wish for a healthy life, I wish for children. Happy birthday!
Happy
What's that for?
birthday.
For you.
No.
Thanks for being here.
Bakit hindi
Too big. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy.
Who's that from?
From Jam.
Wala.
Wala na ko logo.
May card sa loob. Sorry, may card sa loob. Alam mo naman ako, mahaba magsulat.
Sure.
Parang essay lang. Wala, grabe pa ningo ako.
Tantararan. Ano, uy, yung dyan mani, uy.
Pag sure, uy.
Dili pabre.
Ano, nag-listen ko. Nag-listen ka?
Nara.
Sani! Ah, grabe na. Kinilapan na ganyan, di ba? Saan ko lang dito? Kinilapan ni mo nino. Wala na ko lang kailangan ko yung
Oh, thank you, Jam.
chopstick ko na.
13 pa dyan.
13 pa dyan. 13 ako nag-isulat. Sa 50 pa lang ako nag-isulat. 13 pa dyan.
kalimutan na rin.
Ano 2018? Yan naman tayo.
Ako nag-send pa og.
Ay, cutie! Look! Peachy!
Cute lagi siya. Cute mo yung lagi.
Thank you!
We love you.
Teka lang.
Daghan na yung bag.
Bagyod tanon! Ay, Peach!
Consistent.
Ikaw, Ticha, ano saan gift mo sa kuha?
Love and support lang lagi. Seryoso, wala akong love and support.
Thank you, Jam!
Love you.
Thank you, JC!
We love you.
Sa sunod, ito! Kabay mo yung iloon. Magpa-member na kayo, guys, kasi may libre kayo nag-gift. Once a year, syempre. Once a year. Kaysa naman dyan ka mag-birthday. I think this is their bestseller. Bestsellers nila.
Saan sulod?
This is like the Ginger Volcanic Port Toner. This is very good. I'm using this one. And this one is the Orchid Enriched Essence. Pang ano? Anti-aging.
Pang antay-tita.
Learning ko dito. Tapos kani kay green tea na cream. I don't use this one because it's not really recommended for
Oily
I
skin.
don't recommend it for people who have
Oily skin.
oily and combination. Oh, cute no? Okay, that's all. Thank you. Tapos, tada! One gift is for myself. And one gift is for my husband.
Husband.
Tadaan! Cute ko, you show you.
Sige. Thanks for the wonderful information. Wait lang ha.
Very helpful.
Busy pa kayo with the wait lang.
Ay, mo ni siya kung ano. Gamoy, dako sa box ko eh. Yung gamoy kayo sunod. Tan 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 tan. This is the new wave bag out there. Tadan! Tadan! Cutie version.
What is it called?
The new wave bag.
Louis Vuitton.
Sabta no kanin mo ako ang ginasultihan. Tadan! Tadan! Sumi.
Mm-hmm. It's so pretty.
Pretty siya.
Mm-mm.
Do you like it, guys, with this one?
Comment below.
Comment below. Or
As if na
without.
ay mag-comment.
Comment below.
Yeah.
I still like it better bare.
As in.
Yeah. For me,
Nice one siya.
sa bagay, bag mo naman yun eh. So, you have the last decision.
Cute siya, no? And I love it because it's so, kanang structured ka siya na bag. Bisan wala siya sulod. Gora bells lang. Guys, hindi siya pwede sa mga tao nga kanang ginabit-bit ang buong bahay nila sa isang bag katulad na nag-film sa akin. Hindi siya pwede dito. Kasi bit-bit niya lahat ng gamit niya sa bahay.
Grabe siya. Dili pwede na lang ko yung wet tissue, mga essentials. Wet
Ay,
tissue,
hindi ko siya
power
kay-
bank, wallet.
Ay, nice day siya kay ka na pwede siya masutin. Ani.
Ah, pwede.
Butang chain.
Maong gidaw na imong gibayran ng chain.
Ha?
Ang chain yun daw imong gibayran.
Mucho. Karoon na ako na feel. And this.
I like this one better.
This one?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I like it better.
This is called the
Uh-huh.
LV Crosset. Indamir Azure. This one. This is... I paid for this one. After selling all my BTS merchandise. Ta-da! So cute. And
Kanina sila magpili niyan.
Siya.
ako.
Ay, ikaw, hindi kasi ikaw.
Hindi.
Maganda.
No, I like this one better.
Pero taas kayo ang ihang ano sa kuha. Tiyan! Oh, di ba? Meron siya koko-handle na. But it's like quarter of the price.
Mm-hmm.
And then so very summer color inside. And this one is
Still,
Made in
feels
France.
warm
Ito kayo
from the
made.
outside.
Made in France.
sometimes made in
Very hot.
Italy.
Still very hot.
This one is a bit long, and it's not
Yeah,
adjustable.
you
I'm
must
sure you buy
I feel
adjustable.
Because it's colder here
Normal.
than in Sydney.
It's normally.
Yeah.
Station. Oh, di ba taas kayo siya?
But it's really pretty though.
But I like it more like this anyway.
Te.
Ibutan
Ang
ako
sa'yo
sa
mo?
akong wheel. Kani mang gusto? Ibutan ko sa akong wheel. Kani mo gusto? Oh, sige. This one?
Kana lang jud te, wa na lain.
Sure. Ibutan ako ni Seth.
Og ang shoes.
Ay. Cute kayo siya, oy. Murag mas gano'n nagkiko ni.
Mas ganahan ko ako.
Which one do you like,
Okay.
guys?
Comment below.
Comment below. And please no hate messages on.
Charot.
Support lang. Oh, that's so pretty.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.